Have you seen this in the supermarket and you have no idea what it is? Pues let me tell you, these are green plantains. And today we're going to make a delicious, easy recipe that I know you guys are going to love it. So no more talking and start cooking. So today's recipe are going to make tortillas, tostones, patacones. It's going to be like a tostada, but we made it with the green plantain. And I'm going to make tuna salad, Asian flavor. And on top, we're going to put avocado and sesame seeds. It's a very delicious recipe, and I know you guys are going to love it. First, the plantains. This is a green plantains. There is no bananas. A lot of us confuse plantains with bananas. Plantains are larger, and they're, if you eat it green like this, they have a really nice like nutty flavor. And if you eat them ripe, they are really sweet. So this is the difference. So for this recipe, has to be green plantains. First thing is with the knife, you can heat it a little bit, and we're going to cut the ends. With the knife, you go all the way down, just really shallow. You're not going to really deep. We don't want to cut the plantain. And you can cut it like twice or three times. And with the knife, you just open it. Be careful. And you can use your thumb. And look at how easy. This is how you peel plantains. I've been seeing some videos that some people are using the knife. Please don't do it. You destroy the plantain. Look at how easy. That's it. Nothing else. If you see there's anything left, just with a spoon, clean it. And now we have beautiful plantain. Now they're peeled, and I'm going to cut it in pieces. We're going to boil this for 30 minutes. The plantains are cooking. Now we're going to add our protein. In this case, I'm using tuna, but you can use chicken, shredded chicken, you can use salmon, or even if you are a vegetarian, you can use any kind of zucchinis or eggplant. And what we're going to do is add this umami Asian flavor. First, I'm going to add mayo. You can use Greek yogurt. I'm using a hot sauce. You can use sriracha or your favorite hot sauce. Just a little bit. Depends if you like spicy or no spicy. I'm using sesame oil because we want to have this Asian flavor. Like a 1 teaspoon. I'm using half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Tuna is already salty, so you don't want to use a lot, just to extra Asian flavor, a little bit. And lemon juice. Tuna or seafood always need acidity flavor. I like to add a little bit of sesame seeds, but this is up to you. We're going to do it in the end. But this gives it extra crunchy. Mix everything and put in the fridge until the plantains and the tortillas are ready. And fresh black pepper. When I made this kind of preparation at the tuna Asian style, I like to make more because you can use it as a meal prep and make sandwiches, add some lettuce, tomatoes. You can add wraps or just put it on salads. It's ready, put it in the fridge, and we're going to start making our green plantain tortillas. Plantains are cooking, I'm really excited about this. This is the first time I'm going to make this kind of recipe with green plantains, because in Colombia we usually make soups with green plantains. We make patacones, we made chips, slice the plantains and deep fry it really good. In this case, I'm going to make the tortillas, but I want to deep fry like a couple and see how they look like a patacones or tostones, but really thin. So we'll see. It's an experiment. So stay tuned until the end of this video. You're going to see how good this is going to look. Right now, I'm going to make guacamole. There is no guacamole. I'm just going to use the avocados and I'm going to smash it, but not really thin. Salt, pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. This is going to be on top of the tuna. And we're using green onions, or you can use chive if you have. And this is going to be on top. So it's like a kind of sushi flavor, but instead of rice, we're using plantains. Wash the green onions everywhere. I cut the ends, those are ugly parts. And I'm going to use the green. So chop finely, really thin. Cooking is about presentation, flavor, and of course, enjoy. Don't waste this. You can put in the garden, make more green onions, or if you're going to make like a guiso or something at home, this is flavor here. Don't waste it. Please let me know in the comments where you guys are watching, which state or which country, and you have any ideas for me to cook at home. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and save this recipe for later. Really easy. Use the spoon and a scoop. Use everything. Don't waste these beautiful avocados. Omega-3s, good fats, and goes perfect with tuna and green plantains. Perfect combination. Lemon juice or lime juice. This prevents the oxidation of the avocado and gives it extra flavor. Black pepper and a little bit of salt. That easy. Use the fork and smash it. Plantains are ready. Woo, they're ready, and they're going to put it in the food processor. You can use your hands, you can use fork, but this way it's easier. Just put it in your food processor. I'm going to add a little bit of the plantain water, not a lot, and olive oil. Our dough is ready. It's really hot. I'm going to put water in my hands and I start making little balls. So this is our dough. You can make empanadas with this dough, tortillas, all gluten-free, high in fiber, potassium. How beautiful. Ta-da! This is the tortilla patacon toston. I just created this. The tuna, beautiful. I'm going to put a little bit of the guacamole on top. This is a perfect dinner. We have high protein, we have good fats, we have fiber with the green onions and sesame seeds. This is how they look before I cook it. You can make it in the comal, like tortillas, or I put avocado oil, a little bit of avocado oil, and I deep fried the tortillas, making that crunchy flavor. Look at how beautiful. This is not perfect. It's so cute. Love it. Absolutely love it. If you like extra spicy, you can put some sriracha on top. This is just pure green plantains. We put in a smasher, we put in the food processor, we make tortillas. Oh, look at the tortillas. I forgot to show you the tortillas. Now, our best part. It's so good. It's so creamy, crunchy. You can feel the plantain flavor, the kicks for the tuna, the guacamole, delicious, and finish it with the green onions. A very good plate. So please like it, subscribe if you like this recipe, and let me know what else you want me to cook. And remember, cooking at home with family for the family is an act of love and health. See you guys in the next recipe. Bye.